Hi, everyone. It's Neal Weichel with Remax. Today, taking you up in the sky over West Ranch High School and behind Magic Mountain to take a look at the largest project in the history of Los Angeles County. We've called it Newhall Ranch. We've called it Net Zero Newhall. And at the end, the master developer, 5 Points, may end up just calling it Valencia. But at the end of the day, after 20 years, this project is finally ready to come to market. Now, in the summer of 2019, the first 2 of 5 villages were approved to be built, a little over 6,000 homes. You can see the paths where those villages are going to be built. They'll be built by the developers, the builder developers that you and I are used to hearing that have built many homes in the Santa Clarita Valley. Exactly which developers and exactly what they're going to build hasn't been identified yet, but you can be sure by the end of 2020, we're going to know who they are, what they're building, and what it's going to cost. And as you look, you can see the paths are ready to go. So it's simply a matter of 5 Points identifying those builders and those builders actually purchasing the land for their individual projects and tracts that they'll build. Right behind Magic Mountain, you can see. Now, the timing of all this, we expect that by the summer of 2020, we're going to be able to tell you about what's being built and when it will be available. We expect to have models by the end of 2020 with prices identified. That might take a little bit more time, but that's the expectation at this point. And it's going to be cutting edge. It's going to be a project like we've never seen before. Certainly a lot of people are curious about it. Some people are worried about it. But at the end of the day, what they're trying to do is have solar on every property and have a net zero impact on the environment. It's never been done on this scale. 21,500 homes all the way to the Ventura County line, taking probably the next 30 years to be built and come to market. It's going to have a big impact on Santa Clarita, and I'm here to tell you about it.